Hello, everyone. This is a song I actually wrote 20 years ago, and I never even played it out at an open mic. I've been recently listening to a lot of my old favorite alt country albums by like Wilco, Uncle Tupelo, Sunvolt, bands like that, and I just kind of fall in love with the genre again. And I realized I wrote a couple country songs back in the day, and this is one of them. It's called "Why'd You Steal My Car." I think it's pretty good. Kind of feels like I'm playing a cover song right now, even though I wrote it because it's been so long. Hope you enjoy. Baby, why'd you steal my car? I would've driven you home. Where have you taken my heart? I'm left stranded, I'm all alone. Caught down on the corner, calling a cab on the telephone. Baby, why'd you steal my car? I'm just a dog without a bone. Baby, why'd you steal my car? I could use some driving tonight. I drive down to New York City and I would watch a boxing fight. I sure would feel just fine to see another man get beat up. Baby, why'd you steal my car? I'm just a man who's out of love. Together, driving 85 down the road. In 2 days' time, we could be at the Gulf of Mexico and find a little chapel out on the Mississippi. But then you went and you stole my car. You're such a pretty little hypocrite. Baby, why'd you steal my car? I guess this is now the end. Give me back my heart. We should have stayed only friends. I guess I'm not the man you thought that I should be. So baby, give me back my car and I'll be happy. Baby, give me back my car and I will be happy. Baby, give me back my heart and I will be happy. Oh yeah. Hope you enjoyed that one.